Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Madeline, and today's video I'm going to be doing a fall makeup tutorial. I haven't done this in a while. I'm so excited to be back doing makeup tutorials. I love doing beauty related videos on this channel. I don't know what to do with my eye look yet, but I'm leaning towards the warmer shades because I just like the warmth and coziness of fall. So yeah, let's get on started with this eye look. It's been really cold here and my face started to get ashy, so I've already moisturized my face before filming this video. First things first, we're gonna prime our face, and I'm using Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is like the best primer I ever had. I'm taking one pump of this primer. I'm gonna put it all over my face. My hair keeps getting in the way, so I have this thing on. Since we are doing a full glam face, I'm going to be using foundation. I haven't used foundation in a really long time. I've just been using my Tarte concealer. It hides all my blemishes on my face. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte, and I'm in the shade 108, and that's a caramel beige. I usually use my Fenty Beauty foundation, but I left that in my dorm. Excuse my beauty sponge. I actually bought one yesterday, but I feel like just using this because it's the closest to me, and I think it's downstairs. I use a Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge. I've been using this for a year now, and I think it's better than the Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm sorry if my palette keeps getting in the way in the camera. I usually do my makeup over there, but I have the best lighting here because the window is literally in front of me. Now we're going to conceal under our eyes and our blemishes, and I'm going to be using the Tarte shade concealer. This is in the shade medium tan golden, and it's 37G. Look how dirty that is. Oh my gosh, I used this so many times and I don't know why the concealer keeps coming out of the bottle. Like, I don't know. But I'm gonna conceal my under eyes because I've been lacking sleep. You already know. I feel like I say this in every video, but college is just so stressful and like I barely get any sleep, so I need this concealer. It's very extra coverage. I'm also gonna conceal my lips because my lips are super dark and the lipsticks won't show right on my lips. Anyways, I saw this TikTok video where an American doing a British makeup and she used concealer as her lip gloss. I've been watching Love Island too, and I noticed that a lot. Like, they like to have lighter lips and a darker eyebrows. It just remind me of like concealing my lips. I'm gonna use the same beauty sponge and just gonna blend it. So we are actually baking our face today. I'm going to set it with this little sponge I got from Walmart and a Mario Badisco skincare spray. This smells really good. It's a rose water spray, so you can literally spray everywhere, like your hair, your face, and skin. To bake our face, I'm going to use the Revolution baking powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I'm so sorry, like all my products have covered concealer because of that freaking Tarte concealer is all over my makeup bag. I'm actually running out of powder and I want to try new powders, so if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. So we're just gonna set this for like 5 minutes and we're just gonna do our eye makeup after this. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to know how I do my eyebrows, I'm going to be making a video on it soon. And I did not get my eyebrows done in a long time, so it looks pretty crazy right now. But I'm trying to grow it out because I've been really liking that feathered eyebrow look. Using the Morphe palette. I forgot what this makeup palette was called. I know it's from Jaclyn Hill, but this is what it looks like. I know it looks dirty. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so we're going to take this color. It doesn't have a name, so we're going to call it a tan shade. And I'm using a Morphe crease brush. Could you see it? I'm gonna zoom in for y'all so you guys can see better. Next shade we're gonna use is this kind of burgundy brownish color. I'm taking a flat brush, and this shader brush is from Walmart and it's called Eco Tools. Definitely be careful with this kind of shades. They're really powdery. Lightly pack this on the outer eyes. Ooh, it's turning out good. I don't even know what I'm going for, but I usually look for a transition color and then work my eye look. Next we're gonna take this shade. It's a very dark brown. I know it's kind of in the cool tone shade, but it's probably gonna go well on this look. I'm taking a Morphe eyeshadow brush. Lightly pack this on as well. You guys can see like a fallout already. This is what I don't like about this palette. This is what I'm doing, like back and forth motion. Also bring it up to the crease. I'm also going to use the leftover eyeshadow to bring it over. Back with this transition shade we used in the beginning, and I'm using the same brush. I'm not done with my eyeshadow, but I'm going to dust off the powder out of my face. I'm also going to use the leftover all over my face to set it. Taking a small brush, we're going to line the eyes with the darkest shade. The last thing we're going to do is highlight the eye look, and we're going to use this shimmer color. This color is like a mauve brown with the shimmers. I wish they had names for this because I really could not explain the colors. So I'm going to use my fingers. You guys can't see. I learned in the past that it's best to use your fingers when you work with shimmer colors. And my camera is about to die. Please do not die on me when I'm filming this. So the shimmer kind of got on the top, so I'm just going to use the same crease brush I used in the beginning to swipe it away. Bro, it got on my eyes. Next we're going to line our eyes, and I prefer wing liner, but you guys could do whatever you guys want. The liner I'm going to use is Maybelline Master Precise All Day, and this is in the shade The Black is Black. My camera died, so I just went ahead and do my lashes, and I'm using the Wispies by Ardell. I use this every single time with my makeup look. For mascara, I use the Maybelline Great Lash. The lip liner I'm using is from Maybelline, and the shade is in Divine Wine. It's so tiny I can barely see it. And there we go, we're finished. I'm kidding. Oh my gosh. Look crazy. Fortunately, I do not have a lipstick color that matches this, so I'm just gonna use the lip liner everywhere, all over my lips. For some reason, the lighting makes me look so pale, but I do not look like this in real life. But I'm going to bronze up my face with the dark chocolate matte by Too Faced, and I'm using a Morphe brush. I like to bronze up my forehead too because it just looks natural when you go out in the sun. The sun usually like tans your forehead first. Also contouring my nose to look slimmed down. I'm using this Tarte blush, and it's in the shade Party. So this is it for the makeup look. I know it's a lot of makeup, but it's a dramatic full glam makeup, so we had to wear a lot of layers of makeup. So I did not add highlight. I usually do that in the past, but recently I'm not liking it on my face because I just look so greasy at the end of the day. Let me know what you guys think of this eye look. I think it looks great with every skin tone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't been subscribed, you can subscribe now, and also turn on your post notification. Just click on that little bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!